Hello everyone. This is the most repeated question in the Python interview. Here the goal is to find maximum difference. The problem is find the maximum difference between two elements such that larger element comes after the smaller element. Here this is the example 7 comma 1 comma 5 comma 3 comma 6 comma 4. And here this is the code. See, just don't simply by heart this code, okay? Just try to understand the working flow of it. I will explain it with a step by step and with every iteration. And don't skip till end. Okay. And here this is the initial list. Here the exact list. A equal to 7 comma 1 comma 5 comma 3 comma 6 comma 4. And here mean val. Here a equal a of 0. What is the a of 0 means? 0 1 a of 0. It means index, right? What is the 0 index here? 0 value 7, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. And here a of 0 means 7. Maximum difference. Initially we are taking maximum difference equal to 0. And here the exact idea is we keep track of the smallest element seen so far in the mean values. We try to make the best difference by subtracting it from the current value. Okay. By the every iteration you will get an idea. Okay, just don't panic. Okay, by the each iteration you will get a idea. Okay, even that you didn't get idea, just take a pen and paper and try to execute and try to apply this code on your paper. Okay, with every iteration by updating maximum value and the mean value. Here the loop. Here the loop information is for I in range of 1 comma length of a. Here now we have a doubt. Why we are taking 1 here? We start from the index 1 because first element is already sorted in the mean value. What is the first element here? 7, right? That's why we are taking 1 comma 6. Here 1 comma 6 means the range between 1 comma 6 means 1 2 3 4 5. I will use the values 1 2 3 4 5. Now let us see the each and every iteration here. Iteration 1. What? Iteration 1. A of I. See here. Now see here. A of I minus minimum value. Minimum value means 7, right? 7. A of 1 means 0 1. What? 0 1. 1 minus 7 less than 0. 1 minus 7 minus 6. Minus 6 greater than 0, false, right? So here is there is no change. Maximum difference equal to 0 only. So there is no change. And here the second condition. See, when we have two ifs, it will go to the it will check the two conditional statements. Okay. Okay, if we have another if, it will check that one also. Okay, now here the second condition. What is the a of 1 here? 0, sorry, 0 1. 1 less than, what is the minimum value here? Says, see here, minimum value means, what is the minimum value? 7. 1 less than 7. It is true, right? Yes, it is true. 1 is less than true. Now here minimum value equal to 7. Here minimum value equal to 1 and the minimum value is 1. Okay. Now here maximum difference is what? What is the maximum difference? 0. Okay. Here iteration 2. I of a of 2 minus, here a of 2 minus, what is the minimum value here? What is the minimum value? Yes, the minimum value a of 5 minus 1. Here this is the minimum value, right? 5 minus 1 greater than 0. Here 4 greater than 0, true. So the maximum difference become 4 now. It is updated. Now 5 less than, now is here the second condition. 5 less than 1. Does 5 less than 1? False. So there is no change. Still the minimum value is 1. And the maximum difference is, what is the maximum difference here? 4. Now, now the iteration, now the iteration 3. 3 minus 1, 0 1 2 3. a of I, a of 3 minus a of 3 means what is the 3 value here? 3. Here 3 minus 1. Minimum value means 1. 3 minus 1 greater than 4, 2. 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 greater than 4, so it is false. Again, the maximum difference is 4 only. Now, the second condition. A of 3. A of 3 means here. A of 3 means 3. Less than, what is the minimum value here? 1. 3 less than 1, false. So, there is no change. Again, the minimum value is 1. Here, the minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 4 only. So, there is no change here and here. Iteration 4. A of 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A of 4 means 6. 6 minus, what is the minimum value here? 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 greater than 4, true. So the maximum difference become 5. Now here check the second condition. A of 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the A of 4 here? 6. And what is the minimum value here? 1. 6 less than 1, false. So there is no change here. Again, the minimum value is 1. And here these are the updated one. 5, 1 and 5. Now iteration 5. Here A of 5. A of 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 minus what? 4 minus what is the minimum value here? Minimum value 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 is greater than 5, false. So there is no change here. 4 less than 1. Once check here, once check this and second condition also. 4 less than 1. Why here 4 here? Because here the A of 6, A of 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A of 5 means here the 4. 4 less than, here what is the minimum value here? 1. 4 less than 1, false, right? So here is, there is no change. Here the, what is the maximum difference came here? 5. Now the final output is 5. I hope you understand. See, if you don't see, I understand you. Um, at the starting only, it will take some time to understand this entire iterations. Just do one thing. Just take one paper and try to write the every iteration on the paper, like every iteration, maximum value, minimum value, and why they are updating, when they are updating. See, just write the every iteration, okay? And this is the one way that you will gain your program, that you will gain your knowledge. I hope you understand. See, just subscribe my channel and you support me. Thank you.